We're at the Dahl Chainsaw Art, and it's one of my favorite places because 2 reasons. One, it has way cool things to look at, but also because it smells amazing.
What?
I think they should have. I want you to see 3 bears playing in the tree.
3 bears playing in the tree?
Look.
Where?
Here.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah.
Oh, silly bears! Oh, nice. And you got a bear claw.
I'm so glad to be here with you. We got a good thing going. The sun is hot and the sky is blue. Feels like I'm flying.
Whoa!
You weather down your mind. You
Nice,
start
Mom.
right
Good job,
where it's
buddy.
a waste of time. I'm so glad to be here with you. We're gonna do it our way.
Hello, son-in-law.
Hey, this is kind of like at wall.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so glad to be here with you. Headed down the highway.
Okay, so that's the Dahl Chainsaw Art. They're trying to figure out where we're going next. We'll obviously take you guys with us. And you can hear they're working right now. When you come by here, you have to check this place out. It's so cool and it's changing all the time. And make sure you check out the wall drug video because there's kind of a surprise on there. Dahl actually moved a location out there. That's kind of a cool thing that's right behind wall drug. And we did a video on that, so you'll have to check it out. Until next time, this is Grassroots Living reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
We're thinking of you. We'll catch you next time.
Peace out.
Viva la vida. Around the corner I'll meet ya.